Welcome back, guys. Now, you're probably wondering, why am I doing an unboxing video of a brand new rooftop tent when in my previous video I talked about how much I like my roof nest sparrow? Well, my wife has been asking me the same thing. But if you guys are anything like me, even though I'm not necessarily in the market for a new one, I'm always kind of watching to see what's on the market, what kind of deals are going on. And I found a company called Inspired Overland selling their $1,500 rooftop tent for $1,000 plus free shipping to your door. Now that's an incredible value, so I went ahead, took a chance, I bought one, here it is. I have opened it just to sign off on the paperwork for the shipping company, just saying that, you know, it wasn't damaged during the freight. But my initial impression is I think I like it quite a bit, and I think you guys will too. Stay tuned. Can I get a drum roll, please? Here it is, the Inspired Overland rooftop tent. This is what they're calling a soft cover. I think on the website it says it's a soft tonneau PVC. It's essentially the same thing that you're going to put on your truck bed. It has these foam corners here. Now the front face is just a solid tonneau piece, and then along the sides it has a zipper on 3 out of the 4 sides there. Comes with the ladder and hardware. We'll take a look at that in just a second. And then on the back side, it's got one clip there. Let's get this bad boy opened up. It's got an olive green canvas. I do like that color a lot. It's pretty cool. It's got 2 struts on either side to pop that thing open. One feature that I do like a lot that this tent has that my roof nest sparrow does not is the tension strap. This hooks here, wraps around to the other side, and it helps prevent the canvas from kind of popping out over the side when you're trying to close it. Keeps everything tucked in. Works really well. This is a much wanted upgrade here. Let's open her up. Zip around one side. Zip around the other side. It's got the big bug screen window, and it's got 2 shoe bags. Should be big enough to fit your tennis shoes or maybe a small pair of boots. Let's take a look on the inside. We got the bug screen opened up. Just toss this up and over for right now. There it is. It has a 1.5-inch memory foam mattress with the condensation mat underneath of it. Seems to be pretty well built. Mattress is firm, looks comfortable. Has a cargo panel hanging on the roof. You can put your phone charger, accessories up out of the way. That's pretty convenient. And then it comes with 2 Rainfly poles to hold up that big front flap, and I'll show you guys that here in just a second. For extra support holding up the tent, both sides have an additional pole that pops up like so. And that just twists into place. That provides a little extra support if the wind is carrying on. All along this edge here, it has the hook and loop so we can roll this up, get it up out of the way. And then of course we could do the same thing with the bug screen as well if we'd like to get that rolled up and out of the way. Let's put up this Rainfly using our provided poles. There's a cutout on either side where the base slips into there, like so. And then we'll pop that through the little hole. Same thing other side, just like that. And there is your Rainfly. Now, one thing I do not like about this, that you can see, because these come straight out, the weight of the canvas kind of allows it to sag in the middle. I think it would be better off if these cutouts in the base were angled slightly to provide a little more tension, but this is the way it comes. Both sides of the tent have a ventilation flap. If you want to close it up as much as possible, you just lie this flat, kind of closes up that little space there. But if you're looking for maximum airflow, you kind of bend this inward. See if I can do it with one hand, like that. And that opens up that gap as wide as it'll go. Try and get some air moving through the tent. I'm about 5'10" and I fit nicely in this tent. The mattress is comfortable. I could definitely sleep on this for a night or two, if not longer. I want to say the dimensions are 40 inches wide and 81 inches long. You can sleep 2 people in this tent and a small dog also. One thing I just noticed by getting inside the tent, there is an additional cargo panel at the front. Looks like you got 3 pouches. That'd be perfect for storing your flashlights, cameras, whatever you need. The ladder can be mounted from either side using these little plastic brackets here. Give a little bit better picture on the front. The ladder just snaps into that spot right there. Let's take a closer look with some of the goodies that come with the tent. Here's a better view of the ladder. I'm really happy with this lever system here at the top. It seems really well built. I have another ladder that it just has a hook on the end, and over time it kind of starts to wobble. There's a little bit of a play. But I really like the way they've done this, and that just collapses down, so I'm pretty happy with that. This carrying case is really cool as well. It seems really well built. That's definitely a nice addition. It comes with 4 square brackets and 4 of these curved brackets. So I think it's just whatever kind of suits your needs. I won't be using any of this. It also comes with a bag of hardware here, some bolts and washers, nuts, and then it also comes with a few pieces to run along the extruded aluminum. It has a couple end caps that you can pop on the ends to give it a little bit cleaner look. And then it also comes with a ratcheting wrench. Not just a wrench, but a ratcheting wrench. So I thought that was pretty cool. It was included in the kit, and overall I'm really happy with everything that's provided. All right, let's close up the tent and get it on the truck. Let me show you guys how I'll be mounting the rooftop tent on my rack here. So I measured the spacing on the rooftop tent to be 31.5 inches across. So I came to my rack and I drilled 4 holes, 1 in each corner, that would match the spacing of the tent. So I drilled the hole, so that way I can just slide the bolt in those rails and plop it down right on the hole. And then I'm using these brackets that I cut to length, drill the hole in, and I slap that on the underside, and then that's what I put the nut on. So that's what works for me. I'm sure there's better ways to do it, but that's my 2 cents on mounting the rooftop tent on a rack like this. Now that we got the tent up on the truck, I'm going to time myself and see just how long it takes to get it fully deployed. I don't know if you can see this or not, but I'm going to start my stopwatch and we will begin. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that was about 55 seconds. Here she is, sitting up on top of the truck. Looks pretty sharp. I really like that olive green canvas color. It looks pretty good. I hope you guys got a good idea what the tent looks like, both on the outside and the inside. I haven't owned it for that long, so I can't speak to its durability and those long trips and that bad weather, but I'll be sure to keep you guys updated. If you're interested in seeing my review of the Roof Nest Sparrow, check out my previous video. But for now, stay tuned for more videos, and as always, thanks for watching.